In recent months, Jamaica has watched some of its top-tier field athletes, like Roje Stona and Rajindra Campbell, make surprise moves to represent other countries, particularly Turkey. These aren't minor transfers. These are Olympic medalists, record holders, national trailblazers. Naturally, the public is asking, can the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association, JAAA, do anything to stop it? The short answer, they can't block it outright, but they can slow it down, strategically and significantly. World Athletics, the global governing body, outlines a formal process for switching national representation. The new national federation, for example, Turkey's, must support it. The former federation, JAAA, must be involved. World Athletics has final approval. JAAA doesn't have a veto button, but it does have leverage. If an athlete has previously competed for Jamaica at a major international event, World Athletics enforces a 3-year waiting period before they can represent a new country. However, this sit-out can be reduced or waived if both countries agree and World Athletics approves. So if the JAAA refuses to waive the wait, the athlete must sit out for the full 3 years, no exceptions. That's where the real power lies. In cases like Stona and Campbell, reports suggest they didn't alert JAAA or seek approval before negotiating their moves. That silence, especially after earning Olympic medals for Jamaica, changes the tone entirely. This isn't just paperwork. It's perceived disrespect. For a federation that helped fund, coach, or endorse their early careers, being blindsided like this stings. Enforcing the sit-out becomes more than policy. It becomes a message. If you go around us, you'll wait. And make no mistake, 3 years is everything in an elite athlete's timeline. With the 2028 Olympics on the horizon, any delay could mean missing their biggest stage. By standing firm, the JAAA preserves its authority and sends a warning to others. Switching allegiance isn't a shortcut, especially for athletes who built their names in the Jamaican system.